Dubai Qs. We're looking at how to swap farming on how to use swap farming on Binance. We'll be reviewing this article on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria, article by Hassan Shafiq. So you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updated whenever we drop beneficial uploads, and also you want to give this video a thumbs up if you find it beneficial. Also drop your comments in the comment section. Your feedback, we try as much as possible to attend to you. So back to the news. It says when it comes to providing the latest features in the world of blockchain, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance always tries to be 10 steps ahead of everyone. So this notion was felt once again as Binance has introduced the swap farming, a method through which users can swap tokens and earn 50% fee rebates during the initial farming period. So the initial farming period starts from 2021 levels to December. Okay, but we're going to be looking at how to use the farming on Binance to make profit. So during the competition, all users exchanging liquidity pools will be entered into a draw for BNB share $20,000 by meeting a minimum overall swap volume of 100 USDT in any liquidity pools on Binance Liquid Swap. Each new user who has never used Binance Liquid Swap before the campaign will get an equal portion of $5,000 in BNB. So each qualifying user will get a maximum of $20 in BNB. So while the official competition is being held, all users that swap on Binance Liquid Swap in the approved liquidity pools will be scored based on their total swap volume buy and sell, exclusive of wash trades. The total price in this case would be $15,000, which would be split among the top 50 users. For a detailed user guide on how to use the Binance Swap farming feature, click here. So which cryptocurrency pairs are eligible for liquidity? So there are loads of cryptocurrency pairs currently. These pairs are available on Binance Swap farming. There are loads of them, so you want to check out the pairs. So rewards will be handed out in BNB within 2 weeks after the competition is over, depending on the BNB USDT exchange rate on Binance at this time. So guys, there are loads of giveaways and more on the swap farming on Binance. You want to check this feature on Binance so you can get access to loads of these and more perks from Binance, guys. I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get a sign-up bonus as a new user up to $100, as well as other pairs, guys. So stay tuned for more. You should buy keys. Hope this is beneficial to you. Loads of giveaways every day on Binance. Peace out, guys. One love, and stay tuned. You should buy keys.